Demand for thorough, dependable cleaning is at an all-time high. Streamlining your janitorial operations is the only way to maintain quality and stay on budget. As standards increase, the amount of tasks janitors need to perform can become overwhelming, causing less productivity. Having cleaners who are more accountable, consistent, and efficient is imperative to a successful cleaning program. That day is now here. The Janitor Cart is a cloud-based commercial cleaning operations management tool which focuses on eliminating the I didn't know hows, I didn't know I was supposed to's, and I forgots. Whether it be an office building, school, restaurant, or medical facility, the day's pen and paper operations simply can't keep up with all of today's challenges. The Janitor Cart will digitalize your operations so you can proactively maintain a clean and sanitary facility. Bid farewell to the excuses and watch your productivity soar. The Janitor Cart, taking commercial cleaning to the next level.